Good morning, guys. Okay, so we have NXTD gapping up some, INFN up to 840. NXTD sitting just over the $0.50. I'm going to watch it to see if it holds support there. I'm going to watch INFN to see if it can get over the $0.50 at about 850. Let me see. The SPY is up a small amount, so hold on one second. There's an echo. There we go. Good morning, Melody. Yeah, so the SPY is up some. Not a huge amount, but it's up some, and I think it ran. Actually, it ended up coming back down yesterday. Crazy. So I'm watching the TVIX again with the SPY. A few other gappers. RIOT gapping up a small amount. HMNY up a small amount. SNAP Snapchat pushing up nicely. Had a nice day yesterday as well. So in the last few days it's up a pretty big amount. This one's up about 780 in the last few days, so pretty big move. TEUM gapping up some at 213, closed at 192. APPS gapping up some as well. Good morning, D. Evan, Philip, JT. What's up, guys? Melody. So yeah, we got a few decent movers this morning. Let's look. I'm gonna look to see if I can find any more. JE gapping up a small amount. AVIR, little cheap penny stock, but it's gapping up some. Here's my watch list. USAT, MARA, DPW's moving some. RSYS looks pretty decent here. Slow grind up in pre-market at 107 now, broke over 1. So that one looks pretty good. ACHN JT. Yeah, this one looks okay as well, as if it can break over that 293 level. MOSY, same thing. Small gap, looks good. SWN here getting a volume spike this morning. Starting to move. SWN. EPW. Good morning, Juan. Alright, look at NXTD here, guys. NXTD just broke that pre-market high where it had a lot of resistance. Kind of had a wall right there, just broke over it. It's at 264 now. So a nice move there. If you want a link to the day trading chat room, here's the link here. VIVE. Yeah, gapping up some, filling that gap. DRYS is moving some. SWN having a pretty big pullback there. We'll see if it can make it back over 4. Alright, so we got NXTD, which looks pretty good. RSYS, we'll see if it holds over 1. SWN, which got a nice little volume spike there. RIOT, not moving them up that much, but still gonna watch it. HMNY, small gap. SNAP, Snapchat, having a big run again this morning. TEUM at 210 right now, and APPS. So RSYS as well. So we got some decent movers. BURG. Yeah, BURG looks okay. It needs some more volume, but it looks all right. LBIX. So it had good news. Yeah, let's see if I can find why NXTD and the like are gapping up. Let's see. Alright, so NXTD is up after FitPay unit announces contactless payment device for cryptocurrencies. So it's a crypto related stock with NXTD. That's why it's gapping up. SWN. SWN announced plans to reposition portfolio to increase shareholder value. Okay. What about RSYS? Nothing really new with RSYS that I see on Thinkorswim at least. What about TEUM? I think this is a crypto related stock as well. Maybe it's a blockchain. Alright, so TEUM was granted a patent for cloud security solutions. That's why it's up. RMGN gapping up some. Had a nice little move this morning. Yeah, as you can see, this is one of my favorite swing setups. You can see it had no volume and then had a nice volume spike right before the close. It's gapping up about 7 or 8 cents. About 8 cents. 9 cents maybe. So we'll see what RMGN will do. I'm gonna leave this one on my watch list for sure. ADAM. Oh, ADVM. Yeah, it looks okay. It looks like a higher float stock. But it may move some. SNCR starting to push. INFN. Yeah, INFN looks good as well. I had this one on my watch list. I forgot about it. I'll be right back, guys. Alright guys, I'm back. Sorry. Yeah, Juan, I heard that the blockchain news for NETE, VERI. Moving some. APPS. So yeah, there's a few movers. ONTX. Yeah, we'll see what NXTD does. Alright, so I brought my TradeNet account back up some more yesterday. Very small amount. Can I do it? Can I come back from what seems like inevitable loss on my TradeNet account? We'll see. If not, I'll open up another TradeNet account. But hey, I've had, what's today, Thursday? I've had 2 out of 3 profitable days on TradeNet. And the first day, on Monday of this week, it was a mistake. I had 3 profitable trades and 1 losing trade, but I couldn't get out. I forgot to cancel my stop, and so I just had to hold one that was going in the wrong direction because it wouldn't let me out, which was really, it was my fault. But that would have been a profitable day as well, considering I had 3 profitable trades that day. And so we'll see if I can come back. It's been a pretty good week so far, and hopefully, hopefully I can keep at it and maintain this TradeNet account a little bit longer. Alright, so Snapchat. Snapchat yesterday reported that it had increased revenue from last year, increased users, so more people using Snapchat compared with last year. So good news for Snapchat, and it's still running up big here. A few days ago it was at 14, now it is at 21.47. So big move with Snapchat. Yeah, we'll see, Melody. Try to stay optimistic, But even if I'll probably end up losing it, to be honest. But even when I do, what I'm the most happy about is that, I found that strategy that works really well. And it's kind of, in trading, it's just kind of like anything else. You got to find your own niche and, your own way of doing things. And I think that's one of the ways I'm going to start using for sure. All right, so RMGN. At 115. I'm going to keep an eye on this one as well. NXTD still pushing here at 277 now. Alright, another shipping stock, DRYS, starting to run here. You can see it's at 404. Yep. Juan, you and I are on the same page, man. But yeah, you can see it's at 404. Just broke over that $4 area. Gotta watch HMNY as well. It's at 406 now for DRYS. This is a shipping stock, HMNY. Gonna keep an eye on that one as well. DCIX is another shipping stock, and it's starting to push up with DRYS. CNET. Yeah, CNET's getting a little volume spike here up to 570. Actually, it's not really a volume spike, it just looks like it. We'll see if it can move some. Let's see if CNET's moving. We'll see CNET. Yeah, it's doing about the same thing. RMGN dropping some. RSYS couldn't hold over that 105 mark. We'll see if it can hold over 1 now. If you like these little cheap stocks, CPHI gapping up some, and usually I kind of like to trade these on Ustock, AVIR, so I like those two, AVIR, and what was the other one, CC or CPHI. Some cheap penny stocks, they're looking decent. NXTD continues to jump. INPX is washing out down to 340. RAOT. DPW, which I believe is another blockchain stock. CCIH, GEVO. Alright, so got some movers this morning. NXTD breaking over 280 at 283 now. Good morning, Gennardo. What's up, man? Up to 285 on NXTD, slowly pushing up here. Maybe a good short, just because it's up so much. I mean, I'm sure it's a decent catalyst, but big gap up like this, almost 33%. We'll see if it drops. Hold on 1 second, guys. Alright, so we'll see if TEUM can hold over 2. RMGN is back to 115. VIVE at 355. RSYS. HMNY. Alright, so we'll see what RMGN can do here. NXTD went up to 286. We'll see if it continues to push up here. Still watching RSYS to see if it can hold over $1. It's testing it now. It's at 101. Gonna keep an eye on that. You can see SNAP had this big move again. It's starting to wash out some though. And so we'll see what it does here. DRYS coming down some. Probably DCIX is doing the same. Yeah, they're following each other. DCIX and DP and DRYS. Twitter up a huge amount. Wow, look at Twitter, guys. Just now noticed this one. MDR. Yeah, MDR is getting a little volume spike here. But yeah, look at Twitter. Big move. What's up, commentary? Good morning, man. We'll be watching CPHI and AVIR for U stock trades. TEUM. Yeah, I'm watching TEUM for maybe a washout long, like maybe for it to drop down to $2 and then rebound, break the high of the day, and then maybe test this 214 level. We'll see though, it's all just speculation. Gonna keep it on AVIR. Like I said, for U stock mostly. See what I can do with it. Alright guys, we got 8 minutes. INFN sitting right at 850. We'll see what it does. Yeah, everything's always speculation for sure. Alright, so NXTD, let's see if it holds support at that 280 level. I drew a previous support and resistance line right here at 280. We'll see if it can hold there now. CGG, what's up, Grant? Yeah, big drop. No volume though. We'll see if it rebounds. Snapchat's starting to come back down. See if it bounces off of this $21 level. We'll see. Snapchat keeps dropping. Look at Snap. Continues its drop down. What's up, George? Yeah, I'm watching DRYS along with DCIX here. They're kind of doing the same thing. And NXTD making a drop here as well. Same thing with INFN. So some of these are starting to wash a little bit. Alright guys, we got about 5.5 minutes left. AKER, James. Yeah, this one looks okay if it can get over 45. BCS, SQ. Let's see what DRYS does here. JE, ROT, RSYS dropping under $1. Alright, so NXTD flagged a little bit. It's up to 287 now. Alright, we got less than 3 minutes, guys. XNET, ITUB. Alright guys, we got 2 minutes left. Good luck. Alright, so we'll see what the SPY and the TVIX do this morning. Watching CPIH and AVAR on my paper trades. Or my U stock, I'm sorry. Not paper trades. Yeah, I'm watching the TVIX as well. For the TVIX to go up, the SPY needs to drop, so. Exciting, huh, JT? SNCR getting a volume spike. 30 seconds, fellas and ladies. Sorry. Alright, so NXTD up to 290. We'll see if it can break 3. Market's opening in 10 seconds. Alright, there's the market open. Alright, so NXTD starting to run here. Market's dropping some. Give Thinkorswim a little while to catch its breath with these moving stocks. Alright, so we got APPS pushing up, CGI, INFN washing, Z and GA washing, NXTD pushing up. NXTD looks promising. It's up to 298. It's going to test 3. NXTD dropping down, breaking under the low of the day at 276, 270. SPY's washing some. Alright, so I'm in the TVIX with 20 shares. With this market drop here. There's a bounce. See what the market does here. There we go. Big drop, good for me. There we go. Nice. Market's washing big. Alright, so I'm out with a $6 gain. It dropped right before I got out. A little frustrating, but I'll take it. Look at NXTD washing out big here. AKER looks interesting. Watching AKER here to see how it reacts. See you, Melody. Thanks for watching. See you tomorrow, hopefully. Watching AKER here. Alright, so I'm trying to give AKER a little bit of time here to break over this high of the day with an exit around 50 cents. Alright, so I'm in with 200 shares for AKER. Had a nice flag pattern. We'll see if it continues here. Struggling a little bit to get over 48. May jump out of it soon. Yeah, I'm going to get out of this one. I don't like that pullback. For almost a break-even trade. I might jump back in it if I see it start to push back up here. I just don't like that big up wick right there. What's up, Andre? INFN having a washout long setup here. Just broke the high of the day. And the market's starting to come back some with TVIX. Yeah, it looks like my exit with AKER for a $1 loss was a good exit. LBIX. Yeah, we'll see if LBIX can hold over 150. WAC, little cheap penny stock running some. WAC. IBIO. Look at IBIO here, little cheap stock, getting some volume. Alright, so I'm in IBIO with 500 shares. It's a really cheap stock, and so I'll try to let it run some here. IBIO, guys, pushing up. Let's see if we can get over 230 or 23 cents. That's what I'm watching for that one for IBIO. Yeah, I actually like trading the little cheap ones as well. Pullback may be coming here though with IBIO. We'll see. APPS breaking over that high of the day. Yeah, I actually said I think NXTD would be a good short. Looks like I was right. It's just up a lot. A lot of times those little cheap stocks that gap up a ton like that will be good shorts. SPY's washing out more, breaking under the low. Yeah, a lot of sellers or a lot of buyers on the level 2 on the bid for IBIO. We'll see though. I use small enough share size to where, you know, I might lose $5 on it. I'll be all right. If it breaks under 22, I'll just jump out of it. Any? Yeah, ANY needs some more volume. Yeah, the TVIX is following the SPY. The SPY's washing out, and so the TVIX is running. SPY's bouncing off the low now, so maybe the TVIX will start to drop here. We'll see. Thought about getting in the SPY at the low of the day break, but changed my mind just because it may bounce. We'll see if it continues dropping here, though. That might make the TVIX run some. There goes the SPY continuing to drop. Look for the TVIX to run here. VKTX short. I'm not too confident in IBIO anymore. We'll see. See if we can get over this level right here. It's been finding a lot of resistance there. Yeah, VKTX, if it drops under 650 again, we'll see if it continues to drop. SPY's washing out again, guys. Been a crazy week in the market overall. Trying to give IBIO the chance to flag here. SPY still washing. MARA. Yeah, I need some more volume though. It's only at about, what, like 5,000 shares a minute mostly. Yeah, I should have continued to short the, or continued to hold the long setup on the TVIX. It's up to 988 now. I think I got in this one at 930s, 930 something. It's up to 989 now. Definitely should have held. Especially after this drop, the SPY's washing, so TVIX is running up big. Gonna test 10 again, looks like. Set a stop for IBIO for a 350 loss if I do get stopped out if it breaks under this 22-cent level. Gonna let that one chill for a little bit. Definitely should have held the TVIX up to 1011 now, but I'll take my small gain. SPY's washing out big, so the TVIX is running up. You can see it's almost like opposites. The TVIX has a bull flag, runs up. The SPY has a bear flag, runs down. So should have held the TVIX for sure, but I'll take another small gain. So far, that's 3 profitable days this week on TradeNet. And the first day was just a user error. And so I'll take that. Definitely liking this new setup that I've been trying with the TVIX SPY pair. CYTR. Yeah, all the ETNs are running big. Almost got stopped out on IBIO. NOG wash. Alright, so there's the SPY bouncing back some. APRN. Look at ITI here. I might get out of IBIO here. It's just not moving at all. Trying to give it that little bit of time to bear flag or to flag some, but just not really moving like I wanted it to. Kind of keeping an eye on AVIR here. Alright, so the SPY's rebounding some. We'll see if it can continue up here. Yeah, JE looks okay. It's been flagging nicely. SPY's bouncing. Nice bounce on the SPY here. Right. That's how I'm feeling, TVIX. I got my little bitty trade on TradeNet, and I'm done trading on TradeNet for the day. I just don't have the loss, you know. I'm just trying to slowly build it back if I can. ADVM. Yeah, ADVM washout long here. I got stopped out of IBIO for a $4 loss, I believe. Yeah, that's fine. What? Wait, what? Oh, never mind. Yeah, the most important thing is my TradeNet account right now. I'm trying to build this back up, so that's okay. Alright, so we had a big push back up on the SPY. SPY keeps running up here. AVEO, guys. Look at AVEO. I just noticed this one. Getting some volume in. AVEO. NXTD. BSTI. SPY's pushing up more here, running pretty nicely. Up to 267.55. SPY's pulling back some. GEN. CBay running some. ONTX said it found the bottom. Yeah, low volume. It had some volume on that spike, but then it gave all of it back, and so we'll see. Still watching AKER here. See if it ever rebounds. Alright, there goes a big drop on the SPY again. SPY's coming back down. NXCD is. Yeah, very similar. Isn't NXTD a blockchain related stock? Big drop on the SPY here. I'm actually holding the TVIX with an entry of 979 on Robinhood. Currently I'm up 371. 403 now. I'll give it a little bit of time. SPY continues to drop. Still holding the TVIX up 429 now. Alright, so I'm out the TVIX for a $4 gain. I'll take it. Most of the time, no, Joshua. Most of the time, it's only stocks. I mean, there's a few that I've seen that I can trade that are under $1, but most of the time, no. Most of the time, it's just stocks over $1, you know. But I have other ways to trade it. I trade on Robinhood, on Ustock, and on TradeNet, and so I can use multiple different platforms and brokers to trade with. CDXC, Audrey. Yeah, it's starting to run. Looks like my exit of the TVIX was good. SPY starting to run back here. SPY's trying to rebound here up to the 290s. Nice. Insurance. Good trades, bro. Yeah, NXTD's following the SPY, apparently. Well, another one I should have held, especially if the SPY breaks under this low right here. But I'll take my small gain. No FOMO here. Taking a few small profits and then bouncing out of the trade, so I'll take it. So if NXTD is following the SPY, I'm going to watch it, maybe buy it on Ustock, but of course it's limited on Ustock. Nice, Andre. Yeah, I have a profitable day for me as well. Very small profitable gain, but the more important one is on TradeNet, and profitable day on TradeNet, so I'll take it. Alright, so look at AVEO here pushing up. I don't know about AVAO. It just doesn't have the biggest range. It's not moving too much. NXTD looks more promising, but it's limited on Ustock, and so would be the nice time to buy it now. Now that the SPY is pushing up, we'll see though. No, I guess my exit with the TVIX was good. Took a small gain from it on Robinhood. But yeah, I can definitely say for sure the TVIX SPY pairs trade is one of my favorites for sure. That's 3 green days in a row on TradeNet, and you know, the first day this week was a user error. I had 3 profitable trades, 1 losing trade, but that 1 losing trade made up for all my winning trades because I forgot I set a stop loss and let it get a little bit too low. So it would have been 4 profitable trades in a row this week, but 4 profitable days in a row this week. But mistakes happen. I'm just glad that this setup's been working for me. So OHGI. SPY's running up here. We'll see if NXTD follows suit. Alright, this is kind of a crucial point with the SPY and TVIX. You see it's running into, it's got a lot of resistance here, just like the TVIX has support here, and so this is kind of a crucial level if it can break over this point right here, and thus will make the TVIX break under that point, and so we'll see, big crucial point here. Still kind of watching RMG in here. INFN still trying to get over that 879 high of the day. ITI. Alright, so the SPY got rejected, so thus the TVIX is running up here. Look at ATOS. ATOS had a nice washout long setup starting to run. NXTD dropping under the low. Right there at 250. Starting to head down. NAK. Look at NAK here. And ATOS is slowly grinding up here. Looks good. Debating on either ATOS or NAK. I guess I'll do NAK here for 100 shares. See if it continues here. Stop if it breaks under this 25-cent level. There's a push on NAK. Nice. ONTX. Yeah, just no volume with it. I see it. I'll let NAK be a little bit longer term hold. Got up to 129, nice. It's got some resistance there though. We'll see if it can break over that. PSEC breaking up. PSEC breaking over the, trying to break over that high of the day. Did for a split second, came right back down though. Alright. Good idea, JT. I'll get out if it breaks if it hits 126 for a tiny loss. Good idea though. Slow mover, big bounce on the SPY, so there goes, broke up to 130 on NAK. Good looking out, JT. Yeah, I mean, if it drop, I got a stop set for 126, and so if it drops, I'll jump out. Might be time for a pullback with it as well. We'll see what it does. All right, so PSEC broke over the high of the day. It's at 673 now. SPY dropping some. Look for the TVIX to start to push here after this big drop, especially if it drops under this level right here. Thanks for the subscribe, Brian. Thanks for watching, man. Some sideways action on the SPY, some consolidation. We'll see what it does. A lot of sellers on the level 2 for NAK. Yeah, you can see it. It's kind of going sideways, getting really, there it goes. Look for the TVIX to start to run here after that drop under that previous low on the SPY. Yeah, you can see the TVIX starting to run with the SPY washing like that. Right, exactly. Insurance. Very obvious risk whenever it whenever those support and resistance lines get kind of crunched together like that. But yeah, guys, I'm going to go ahead and close the stream down now. It is almost 10:30 market time. It's 10:20, so I'm going to go ahead and shut it down now. I'll let NAK run until it stops me out for a very tiny loss. But another green day today. Definitely happy about that, especially on my TradeNet account. I'll take that tiny gain any day. So happy with my small gain today. If you haven't already, click that subscribe button. We definitely appreciate the support, and subscribing helps support us. Everybody do me a favor and click the like button right now in this video. And yeah, guys, good luck for the rest of the day. I'll see you guys later.